Welcome to our journey around the world, where we uncover 30 geography facts that sound impossible but are absolutely true. From shrinking seas to hidden continents, prepare to be amazed by the wonders of our planet. From the familiar landscapes of our own backyards to the most remote corners of the globe, the Earth holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. Join us as we delve into the extraordinary, the unexpected, and the truly unbelievable facets of our planet's geography. Here, in the heart of the Middle East, lies the Dead Sea. Its name hints at a stark reality. Its waters are so intensely saline that life as we know it cannot flourish here. Yet the story of the Dead Sea is not just about its salinity, but about its alarming rate of decline, shrinking by approximately 1 meter every year. This dramatic change is driven by a combination of factors: the relentless thirst of evaporation under the scorching desert sun, and the diversion of water from the Jordan River, its main tributary, for human needs. When we think of deserts, our minds often conjure images of vast, sun-baked landscapes, yet the true definition of a desert lies not in its temperature, but in its aridity. And by that measure, the driest place on Earth is not the Sahara, but the frozen expanse of Antarctica. In its interior, where towering ice sheets dominate the horizon, precipitation is a rarity. Some areas have not seen rain or snow for millions of years, making them true polar deserts. This stark contrast highlights the incredible diversity of our planet's environments. On the fringes of the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, lies the city of Arica in Chile. This coastal city holds a remarkable, if somewhat unenviable, record. It is the driest inhabited place on our planet. Imagine a place where rain is not a seasonal occurrence, but a distant memory. In some parts of the Atacama, centuries have passed without a single drop of rain. The people of Arica, however, have adapted to this arid environment, finding ingenious ways to harvest moisture from fog and utilize limited water resources. Chapter 4. Russia's time-traveling landscape. Russia, a land of vast forests, icy tundra and towering mountains, is a country that seems to stretch endlessly. Spanning an astonishing 11 time zones, it is a testament to the sheer scale of our planet. As the sun rises in the east, casting its golden rays over Vladivostok, the inhabitants of Kaliningrad, located on the Baltic Sea, are still deep in slumber. This vastness has shaped Russia's history, culture, and its people's relationship with time itself. Chapter 5. The Amazon's reverse flow. The Amazon, the lifeblood of South America, is a river of superlatives. It is the largest river in the world by volume, carrying a staggering 20% of all the fresh water that flows into our oceans. But the Amazon holds a secret, a phenomenon that defies the very notion of a river's flow. During periods of exceptionally heavy rainfall, the sheer volume of water entering the Amazon basin becomes so immense that it overwhelms the river's natural course. This creates an extraordinary spectacle. The Amazon, for a brief time, reverses its flow, sending its waters surging back upstream. Chapter 6. Japan's Island Mosaic. The land of the rising sun, Japan evokes images of bustling cities, ancient temples, and serene landscapes, but beyond its iconic mainland lies a hidden archipelago, a tapestry of over 6,852 islands, each with its own unique character and charm. From the snow-capped peaks of Hokkaido to the subtropical paradise of Okinawa, these islands are scattered across the Pacific Ocean, forming a breathtaking mosaic of natural beauty and cultural diversity. Most of these islands remain uninhabited, offering sanctuary to rare wildlife and pristine ecosystems. Chapter 7. Encircled by 5 countries, the Caspian Sea presents a geographical paradox, a sea without shores. This vast inland body of water, the largest of its kind on Earth, is entirely landlocked, cut off from the open ocean. Its waters, slightly saline but teeming with life, support a unique ecosystem home to a diverse array of species found nowhere else on Earth. The Caspian Sea's isolation is a reminder that our planet is full of surprises, defying our expectations and challenging our understanding of the natural world. Chapter 8. From the vantage point of space, our planet appears as a perfect blue marble suspended against the black canvas of the cosmos. Yet, upon closer inspection, we discover that Earth is not a perfect sphere. The constant spin of our planet, a relentless pirouette lasting billions of years, has subtly reshaped its form. This centrifugal force causes the Earth to bulge slightly at the equator and flatten at the poles, giving it a unique shape known as an oblate spheroid. Chapter 9. Greenland, a land of towering glaciers, icy fjords and breathtaking landscapes, is a testament to the power of ice. Despite its name, which suggests verdant landscapes, Greenland is largely defined by ice. Over 80% of its surface is covered by a vast ice sheet, a frozen reservoir that holds enough water to raise global sea levels by several meters. This icy grip shapes not only the island's geography, but also the lives of its resilient inhabitants. Australia, the island continent, is a land of extremes, from its scorching deserts to its lush rainforests. But its vastness also extends to a rather unexpected comparison. Australia is wider than the Moon. Stretching over 4,000 kilometers from east to west, Australia's diameter dwarfs that of our celestial neighbor, which measures a mere 3,474 kilometers. This remarkable fact highlights the immense scale of our planet and the incredible diversity of its land masses. Istanbul, the vibrant metropolis straddling the Bosphorus Strait, is a city of two worlds, a place where East meets West in a vibrant tapestry of cultures and history. This unique geographical location places Istanbul at the crossroads of continents, with one foot firmly planted in Europe and the other in Asia. The Bosphorus, a narrow waterway connecting the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara, serves as a symbolic and physical divide, separating but also uniting these two continents. Mount Everest, standing tall at the roof of the world, is the ultimate symbol of nature's grandeur and power. But this majestic peak is not content with its current stature. It continues to grow, albeit at a snail's pace. The inexorable movement of tectonic plates, those massive slabs of Earth's crust, is slowly pushing Everest higher, adding about 4 millimeters to its height every year. This continuous growth is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, constantly reshaping itself over geological time. Hidden beneath the waves of the North Atlantic Ocean lies a mysterious realm, a watery wilderness known as the Sargasso Sea. Unlike other seas, the Sargasso Sea has no land boundaries. Its borders are defined by swirling currents, creating a vast, isolated ecosystem. The Sargasso Sea is often described as a desert under the sea. Its waters are remarkably clear, but nutrient-poor, supporting a unique community of life adapted to this challenging environment. The Earth's surface, with its familiar continents and oceans, seems immutable, a fixed landscape that has remained unchanged for millennia. Yet, deep beneath the waves, hidden from our view, lies a lost continent, a submerged world known as Zealandia. Scientists believe that Zealandia was once a vast landmass, roughly the size of India, that sank beneath the Pacific Ocean millions of years ago. Today, only a few scattered islands, including New Zealand and New Caledonia, remain above sea level, offering tantalizing clues to this lost continent's existence. The Moon, our celestial companion, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its phases from new moon to full moon mark the passage of time, influencing tides and inspiring countless myths and legends. But the Moon holds a secret, a hidden face that it keeps perpetually turned away from Earth. This phenomenon, known as tidal locking, is caused by the gravitational forces between Earth and the Moon. As a result, we always see the same side of the Moon, while its far side remains hidden from our view. Stretching for over 8,891 kilometers, the border between Canada and the United States is a testament to peaceful coexistence. It is the longest undefended border in the world, a symbol of the strong bond and shared values between these two nations. From the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific, this border crosses a diverse range of landscapes, from bustling cities to remote wilderness areas. Its undefended status is a testament to the enduring peace and cooperation between Canada and the United States. Norway, a land of rugged mountains, deep fjords and picturesque villages, is also a kingdom of islands. With an estimated 50,000 islands scattered along its coastline, Norway boasts the highest number of islands of any country in the world. From tiny, uninhabited islets to larger islands teeming with life, these fragments of land add to Norway's scenic beauty and ecological diversity. Many of these islands are accessible only by boat, offering a glimpse into a world untouched by modern civilization. The Sahara Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes, rocky plateaus and scorching heat, is often seen as a symbol of aridity and desolation. But this seemingly timeless landscape holds a secret. Beneath its barren surface lies evidence of a much greener past. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara was a very different place. Ancient rock paintings and fossils tell the story of a lush tropical forest teeming with life. Rivers flowed through the landscape, supporting a diverse array of plants and animals. This dramatic transformation highlights the powerful forces that shape our planet's climate and ecosystems over time. The Pacific Ocean, the largest of Earth's oceans, is a truly awe-inspiring expanse of water. Covering over 60 million square miles, it is larger than all of Earth's land masses combined. From the icy waters of the Arctic to the warm, tropical waters of the equator, the Pacific Ocean is home to a staggering diversity of life, from microscopic plankton to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. Its vastness and depth have shaped human history, culture, and our understanding of the planet. Finland, a land of forests, lakes, and breathtaking natural beauty, is often called the land of 1,000 lakes. But this is a vast understatement. In reality, Finland boasts over 188,000 lakes, more than any other country in the world. These shimmering bodies of water, carved out by ancient glaciers, are an integral part of Finland's landscape and culture. They provide opportunities for recreation, transportation, and a source of inspiration for artists and writers. Africa, the second largest continent, is a land of incredible diversity, from its snow-capped mountains to its vast savannas. But beneath its surface, powerful geological forces are at work, slowly reshaping the continent. The East African Rift, a giant tear in the Earth's crust, is slowly pulling East Africa away from the rest of the continent at a rate of about 5 millimeters per year. This ongoing process could eventually create a new ocean basin separating East Africa from the mainland. Nestled in the heart of Siberia lies Lake Baikal, a lake of superlatives. It is the oldest freshwater lake on Earth, formed about 25 million years ago, and the deepest, reaching a depth of over 1,642 meters. Lake Baikal's age and isolation have created a unique ecosystem, home to a remarkable diversity of life, including over 1,500 endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. Its pristine waters hold a volume of fresh water greater than all of the North American Great Lakes combined. The equator, an imaginary line circling the Earth at 0 degrees latitude, is often seen as a fixed point dividing the planet into the northern and southern hemispheres. However, due to the Earth's axial tilt and the gravitational pull of the Sun and Moon, the true geographic equator doesn't perfectly align with the 0 degree latitude line. This slight discrepancy means that the equator is a bit of a moving target, shifting slightly over time. The Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest on Earth, is a vast interconnected ecosystem teeming with life. It is home to 10% of the world's known species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Despite centuries of exploration and exploitation, a considerable portion of the Amazon remains untouched by human activity. About 20% of the rainforest is still largely unexplored, harboring countless secrets and undiscovered species. Hidden beneath the waves of the Pacific Ocean lies a volcanic giant, the Tamu Massif. This massive extinct volcano, if it were on land, would cover an area larger than the state of New Mexico. The Tamu Massif's discovery in 2013 stunned the scientific community. Its sheer size and scale challenged existing theories about volcano formation. This underwater behemoth is a reminder that our planet is full of surprises, and the vastness of the oceans still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. In the heart of Manhattan, a city known for its grid-like streets and towering skyscrapers, lies Doyers Street, a tiny street with an unusual distinction. It is one of the most crooked streets in the world. Doyers Street's sharp bend, crossing over the Bowery Bridge at an acute angle, is a result of its unusual history. Originally a bustling marketplace, the street's curved design was a deliberate attempt to create a sense of enclosure and community. Today, Doyers Street is a popular tourist destination and a reminder of the city's rich and often quirky past. China, a land of ancient civilizations, towering mountains and bustling cities, is the most populous country on Earth, home to over 1.4 billion people. This vast population represents a remarkable diversity of cultures, languages and traditions. From the bustling metropolises of Beijing and Shanghai to the remote villages of the Tibetan Plateau, China's human tapestry is as vast and varied as its geography. Chapter 28. The Amazon's Breath of Life. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the planet, plays a vital role in regulating Earth's climate and oxygen supply. Through the process of photosynthesis, the rainforest's billions of trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen, producing an estimated 20% of the world's oxygen. This vital ecosystem service highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet's remaining rainforests. Chapter 29. Sudan's Forgotten Pyramids. When we think of pyramids, our minds often jump to the iconic pyramids of Giza in Egypt. However, few people realize that Sudan, a country in northeastern Africa, is home to Egypt. Over 200 ancient pyramids dot the Sudanese landscape, a testament to the rich history and cultural heritage of the Nubian civilization. These pyramids, while smaller than their Egyptian counterparts, are no less impressive, showcasing the architectural prowess and ingenuity of the Nubian people. Chapter 30. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge's Underwater Majesty. Hidden beneath the waves of the Atlantic Ocean lies a mountain range of extraordinary proportions, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Stretching for over 40,000 kilometers, it is the longest mountain range on Earth. This underwater mountain range is not your typical mountain range. It is a zone of intense geological activity where tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart, creating new ocean floor. This process, known as seafloor spreading, is responsible for the slow but constant movement of the continents. Outro, our incredible planet. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through some of the most fascinating geography facts. From the shrinking Dead Sea to the hidden continent of Zealandia, we've explored the wonders of our planet and uncovered some of its best-kept secrets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about our world.